Gladiators were particularly famous for their role in the Norwegian campaign. At one point, Gladiators were 263 Squadron, the sole British aircraft providing air support to foreign troops in the country. Theme of the combination that we saw there with the Gladiator, the Hurricane and the 109. Well, 4 RAF units were operating Gladiators when war broke out. 2 of them, numbers 607 and 605 squadrons, were sent to France. All their aircraft were lost within just 10 days of coming up against the Germans in May 1940. Gladiators were already decimated by the Hurricanes that were active in France. Were a different matter, but they still couldn't prevent the inevitable defeat and the eventual evacuation of British forces from Dunkirk under Operation Dynamo. Now, our attention turns to an incredible collection of Warbirds that are making their way towards the runway. We've got the Shuttleworth Gladiator, we've got the Polish Heritage Flight operated Hurricane, and we have got a jewel in the crown of European Warbirds, the Messerschmitt BF 109E4, owned by Wolfgang Landschulze. It's the first time we've ever seen a BF 109E, an Emil variant of this famous single-seat Luftwaffe fighter of World War II, flying in a British display. And that is to be followed by the BF 109E4. forming up as a unique trio to be back with us shortly. And now look to the left. Gladiator, Hurricane and BF 109E. This BF-109 was manufactured by the Airshowvision plant in Leipzig in 1939. It ended up on the Eastern Front with the 5th Staffel of Jagdgeschwader, or Fighter Wing 5, with the code Red 12, which it wears again now. And on the 24th of January 1942, on a sortie near Murmansk, the Messerschmitt took a bullet in its engine while engaged in combat with Soviet Air Force Hawker Hurricanes. It force landed at Titovka. Its war was over. Now we see this 109 reunited with a Hurricane. Dave Harvey in the Polish Heritage Flight Hurricane 12. But now, about to take centre stage, the adversary. The sequence Wolfgang Landschutz's Messerschmitt BF 109 E4. That led to a maiden flight in the hands of the British Warbird pilot Charlie Brown from Hangar in June 2023. The flight testing went almost without a hitch. Charlie called it stress-free motoring. Since then, last September, the 109 made its public show debut at the Hurricane in Germany, having been sold to its current owner. Wolfgang Landschutz, this is the first time an Emil has ever flown in a British show.
Now it is the Gladiator that's being put through its paces, an aircraft the prototype of which first flew in 1934. Monoplane fighters like the Spitfire were already in development by that point, and there were some doubts over whether the Gladiator was really necessary, but with some of those monoplane programs facing delays, an order was placed and Gladiators began entering Royal Air Force service in early 1937.